This is Namaste Radio. Every Sunday, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on 1050 a.m. Studio line 713-984-1013. Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone. Modern Indian Radio.
AM 1050 KCHN, Brookshire, Houston.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa in Katy invites you to celebrate their 2-year anniversary with double the deals. Come and get a facial done and bring a friend along to get hers done for free.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, call or text 856-693-8970. That's 856-693-8970. Follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram.
The Indian Consulate General and Houston's leading organizations invite you to a virtual global celebration of International Day of Yoga, led by none other than Yoga Rishi Baba Ramdev Live. View basic asanas and techniques with yoga studios around the world. An exhilarating awakening awaits you on Sunday, June 21st, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. International Day of Yoga, live on Facebook.com/India in Houston or India House. Details at yogadayofTexas.org.
Allings would like to thank you for your support during the COVID-19 lockdown and express our highest gratitude to medical professionals and first responders who fight on to keep us safe. Allings is now open for safe distance dining with tables set at least 6 feet apart, following all guidelines and taking precautions for the safety of our guests and staff. See you at Allings for a delightful dining experience. Halal menu available. Visit us at allingschinese.com.
Tired of those law firms you can never reach? Try Donley, Ashby & Wynn Law Firm.
Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm in Houston is dedicated to providing quality immigration advice and legal counsel to domestic and international companies and individuals. They will also help with deportations, citizenship and naturalization filings, also personal injuries and car accident. They are committed to their clients with prompt turnaround time. Over 30 years of immigration experience. Call attorney Ann Wynn today at 832-646-8448. Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm. 832-646-8448.
Naren's Bombay Brasserie, Houston's best restaurant for traditional Indian cuisine. Tandoori specials, poultry, vegetarian items, lamb, seafood, salads, desserts, and much more.
Naren's Bombay Brasserie is now open for dine-in with distancing measures for everyone to stay safe. Lunch buffet hours Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Dinner hours 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week. Delivery and to-go options still available. Call Naren's Bombay Brasserie at 713-622-2005. That's 713-622-2005. Located at 3005 West Loop South. Like Naren's Bombay Brasserie on Facebook. What's that sound?
Oh no, it's my electricity bill. डर लगता है इसको खोलते हुए यार.
Me too.
You too?
Na you too, na me too. It's E2.
ये E2 क्या है?
E2 Power is your solution. They can help you to save money by finding the lowest energy rates, the best contract terms, and the right product.
Make E2 Power your trusted resource and power your business or home. E2 Power matches the best electricity plans at the best available rates.
E2 Power ensures they deliver competitive prices and full support at all stages of the process. Even if you need to transition to another supplier, don't worry. E2 Power can help you make that transition smoothly.
अरे वाह, पैसे भी बचाओ और टाइम भी बचाओ.
Call today E2 Power at 832-390-2291. That's 832-390-2291 or visit e2powerhub.com.
कोई बात नहीं सेन्योरिटा, कोई बात नहीं. बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
You're listening to Namaste Radio.
Powered by E2 Power.
Hey, hey.
Back here on Namaste Radio, 10:50 a.m. right here on this Sunday afternoon. Don't forget, you can also listen to us online, namasteradiohouston.com, and also on our iPhone and Android apps, on Amazon Alexa products, and on Namaste Radio's Facebook Live. That's right. See all the Hangama right here in the studio on our Namaste Radio Facebook Live. And now I'm joined by aap sabki favorite Vanchika right here in the studio. Namaste ji, how are you?
नमस्ते, आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू?
I'm great.
कैसा चल रहा है शो आपका? बहुत अच्छा आपने
Thank
किया
you.
शो 1 से 2 बजे.
Thank
Reminded some like good memories.
Yeah, I was thinking of, what to do. Then I was like, you know what? Like, we'll do debut 10 years. I was like, wait, Ranveer Singh's already been in the industry for 10 years? Like,
Yes.
And then guys like Sid Malhotra and Varun and then Tiger Shroff, all that. It's just time is just flying. I don't know where it's...
That's right. It has been a long time. पता नहीं चलता है जिंदगी में टाइम कैसे निकल जाता है, कट जाता है.
Yeah.
बट सबसे पहले सबको बहुत बहुत हेलो नमस्ते आप सबको, सारे लिसनर्स को, सारे व्यूअर्स को. होप आप सबका वीक बहुत अच्छा गया एंड आने वाला वीक भी बहुत अच्छा जाए. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं सुशील यहाँ पे नहीं है. सुशील आज शायद आ भी सकते हैं, नहीं भी आ सकते, वो बिजी हैं. तो मे बी ये वीक आपको पप्पू के जोक्स मिलेंगे या नहीं मिलेंगे, वो हमें उनके काम के हिसाब से देखना पड़ेगा. प्रॉबेबली वो एक दूसरे को मिलने गए हैं. दैट इज ट्रू. बट आगे बढ़ते हैं. मैं और संदीप तो यहाँ पे आज हैं. आप आई नो आप लोग उसको बहुत मिस करेंगे, लेकिन तब तक हम दोनों हैं आप सबके साथ. आज का सफ़र हमारे साथ चलेगा आगे. आगे बढ़ने से पहले बता दें, नेक्स्ट वीक एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट आने वाला है. इट इज़ द इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा, द 6th इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा on Sunday, June 21st from 10 a.m. to noon. The program will be streamed live through Facebook pages, and ये 2 Facebook pages हैं. Please take a note of these. It's India in Houston. वहाँ पे Facebook लाइव पे स्ट्रीम होगा, एंड इंडिया हाउस ह्यूस्टन. सो इफ़ यू आर फॉलोइंग दीज पेजेस यू हैव द ऑप्शन ऑफ गोइंग ऑन द फेसबुक पेज एट 10 a.m. नेक्स्ट संडे. एंड ये प्रोग्राम का आप देख सकते हैं इस प्रोग्राम को. इस साल का थीम है योगा एट होम, योगा विद फैमिली. आई मीन कोविड की वजह से योगा एट होम है, एंड ऑफकोर्स अगर आप घर पे हैं तो आप अपने परिवार के साथ ज़रूर हैं. और संडे सुबह है तो ज़रूर योगा कीजिए, बिकॉज बाबा रामदेव जी खुद योगा 1 घंटे के लिए इसमें लाइव सेशन होगा, तो खुद योगा करवाएंगे इंडिया से बैठे बैठे. So do not miss this opportunity, and this event is brought to you by the Council General of India, Houston, in collaboration with several supporting organizations. So do not miss next Sunday, June 21st, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and we will be talking to Council General of India, Mr. Aseem Mahajan, in a little bit at 2:30. और इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में उनसे और डिटेल में तब बात करेंगे.
That's right. So it's just a week away, right? The 21st.
That's right, just a week away.
Yeah.
हमेशा बाहर होता था, we remember we were talking last week कि हम लोग पार्क में गए थे, बहुत लोग आते हैं, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, कोविड है, लाइफ बहुत बदल चुकी है, लोग बदल चुके हैं, तो उस हिसाब से सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा. तो संदीप, हमारा बॉलीवुड गपशप का जो ये सेक्शन है, क्या बॉलीवुड में आज तो बहुत ही सैड न्यूज़ सुबह उठ के हो गया, पता चली हम सबको. मेरी हिंदी थोड़ी ऑफ हो रखी है आज, बट वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट एंड मे हिज सोल रेस्ट इन पीस. सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, उसके बारे में ज़रूर बात करेंगे. लेकिन आपने मुझे कुछ परिणीता की यादें दिला रहे थे.
That's right. We were just talking about how time is flying, right? But can you believe it's already been 15 years of Parinita?
15 years. Wow.
15 years. And that was, I think,
तब विद्या बालन बहुत पतली हुआ करती थी.
That's true, actually. Yeah. I think that movie, Bul Buliyan, she was on the thinner side. Right?
She was, yeah. I think it was from that Ooh La La movie. What was that?
Dirty Picture?
Dirty Picture, yes. मुझे तो ऐसी पिक्चरों का नाम भी याद नहीं रहता.
So, if you're looking on Instagram Live or Facebook Live, she put a Instagram post about a behind-the-scene picture with, I believe that's the director, and then, of course, that's Saif.
Wow, and Saif is looking younger, but I don't think Saif has changed. If you are watching us on Facebook, you can see Saif has not changed, but she has changed.
She is definitely.
That's what marrying Siddharth Roy Kapoor does to you.
I guess I've never seen. He's like the Aditya Chopra. I've never seen him.
Yeah.
seen him before?
Yeah, I've seen him. He
Oh,
does
okay.
come out to
But isn't he
awards and
as,
all
like,
that.
He's not. I'm sure he's not like Aditya, like fit and.
He's tall.
Okay.
I'm sure he's
Tall.
taller than 6 feet.
Oh,
But he is he's on the healthy side.
okay.
But I wouldn't call him fat though.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think movies like Kahani and these other recent ones, she's a.
Yeah.
But no doubt, she's definitely a great actress. So
That's
I'm a
right.
big
But
fan.
Parinita was a great movie.
Oh yeah.
Beautifully set, I think in Kolkata. And Vidya Balan or Saif and everybody in the movie did an amazing job. So yeah, 15 saal ho gaye Parinita. I think I think I was here then. I mean, if it's 15
2005, I
years.
was in college, yeah.
Yeah.
I was in here.
I was here.
Yeah.
तो सुनते हैं परिणीता से एक गाना यार.
Beautiful song from there.
Yes. My mom's favorite, I can say that.
Good taste.
La la la, hey hey hey, you are mine. La la la, hey hey hey, say you're mine.
What do you think?
पियू बोले पिया बोले जानू ना जिया डोले हौले हौले क्यों ये डोले जानू ना.
Not bad. अब ये सुनो.
दिल की जो बातें हैं, बातें जो दिल की हैं,
दिल ही में रखना पिया.
लब तो ना खोलूं मैं, खोलूं ना लब तो पर.
आँखों से सब कह दिया. पियू बोले पिया बोले क्या ये बोले जानू ना जिया डोले हाले हाले क्यों ये डोले जानू ना.
पियू बोले पिया बोले क्या ये बोले जानू ना जिया डोले हौले हौले क्यों ये डोले जानू ना.
Yes, 15 years.
15 saal for Parinita.
Yeah.
And then Pariniti joined Bollywood.
And Pariniti joined. When was her? Yeah. She joined. Oh yeah, she was also.
Ishaq
in the-
Zadeh, right? With
Yeah,
Arjun
yeah.
Kapoor. Yeah,
That's right.
around that time.
That's right. Just in these 10 years, right? I think
Yes.
somebody missed. But I could only do 10, so yeah, that Pariniti Chopra was one of them. So right here we are doing Bollywood Gupshup, and now that we are talking about Bollywood, why don't we talk about a brand who is one of the leading brands, is actually the leading brand in India for men, women, and kids. I'm talking about, of course, Manyavar Mohe. Like I mentioned, they are the world's elite with finest Indian elegance. From exquisite sherwanis, fine Indo-Western, royal bangalas, jackets, kurtas, and matching accessories for life celebrations. And even kids' ethnic and fusion wear are also available. And some great news, the Houston store is open. And of course, safety guidelines are being followed. They are open 7 days a week from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. And when I was talking about Bollywood, they have so many amazing artists under them. Of course, Ranveer Singh, Alia Bhatt, Amitabh Bachchan, Kartik Aaryan. They start off with Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli. But of course, yeah, the names are just going to keep continuing. But yes, Manyavar Houston is open 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Like them on Facebook. They have a Houston page, Manyavar-Houston. That's Manyavar-Houston. Or you can call the store at 281-501-9933. Located at 5912 Hillcroft Avenue, 281-501-9933.
So did you notice something while seeing Facebook Live?
What did I-
So I could see another icon on the right top corner on Facebook Live that they've added. It's the Chromecast logo right there. So I think now you can stream it like through Chromecast on your TVs.
Yeah. Whatever you can virtually, whatever you can see on your phones or devices can be done.
Through Chromecast, right?
Chromecast.
But पहले नहीं था वो option. I am seeing that actually for the last couple of days.
Oh, wow.
So I guess that's something new that Facebook added.
Or if you have Apple TV, then your Mac or your iPhone can stream.
Yeah, but लोगों के पास होता नहीं ना इतना Apple TV. Yeah, exactly.
Chromecast is big, yeah.
Chromecast तो it's like a USB. आप अपने TV पे डाल दीजिए and फिर then it connects. So yeah, before Fire Stick came in, we used to use a lot of Chromecast. So
yeah, now it's the Fire Stick.
It's the Fire Stick, yes.
Yeah.
तो आगे बताइए आपके फेवरेट स्टार की कोई न्यूज़ है?
That's right. Not only we will get into his movie review also, but some other news for the legend Amitabh Bachchan. They are now possibly considering him to be for Google Maps in India. They are thinking of replacing the voice to him. Amitabh Bachchan.
Wow.
Yeah.
That will be funny
so
though.
Me and one of my friends.
Hi, आगे से पान की दुकान से right लीजिए. That will be crazy.
One of my friends this past weekend, we were thinking about it. Like, if he tells you to take a right, we'd be like, "Oye, suno, right ले लो." You know, like something.
वो भी
like
पान की you know how directions in India are, right?
Yeah.
पान की दुकान से right. उसके पान की दुकान के पीछे वाली बिल्डिंग की white color वाली बिल्डिंग से U-turn मारिए. All of that will be funny in Amitabh Bachchan's voice.
Yeah. No, but I think that would be amazing. I don't know. Hopefully they do consider this.
So navigation system, Google map
Google
navigation.
Maps, yeah, that's the most popular one, right? The Google Maps. Yeah.
Very good, very good. Amitabh Bachchan, before he leaves, उनकी आवाज हर किसी के मैप में रह जाएगी.
Yeah, exactly. So that's a possibility. Let's see if that works out. But yes, they are considering him to now be the voice of Google Maps in India.
Very nice.
Yes. But we get into.
So this is one of my all-time favorite songs. So that's why I selected this song because जब भी मैं अमिताभ बच्चन का नाम सुनती हूँ तो मेरे दिमाग में यही गाना आता है.
Right here on Namaste Radio. Keep it locked here with Vanchika and Dolly Deep. Namaste Radio.
तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना हो तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना जैसे खेले चंदा बादल में खेलेगा वो तेरे आंचल में चंदनिया गुनगुनाएगी चंदनिया गुनगुनाएगी तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना.
Got you today.
Yeah. I was just singing.
No, that's good.
That's like a stress buster.
I want the
singing.
world to know how good you can sing. So.
I don't sing good. Lekin there's someone who can fly good.
Oh, yes.
So I am talking about the upcoming movie Gunjan Saxena, जिसमें ऑफ कोर्स श्रीदेवी की बेटी है जो है जानवी कपूर, जिनके बारे में आपने फर्स्ट सेक्शन में भी गाने बजाए थे एंड she came into the movie business in the last 10 years. This movie was supposed to release in March, then it got pushed to April, I think somewhere back in Jan it got pushed to April. But they were like, oh my gosh, I wish we had released it in March because, you know, COVID के वजह से पूरा India बंद हो गया था and they couldn't release the movie. But now Netflix has, you know, gained rights on the movie. So they will be releasing the movie. And I am talking about Gunjan Saxena. It's called Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl.
The Kargil Girl.
Yeah, it's produced under Dharma Productions. And Pankaj Tripathi. You know, the Babaji from all the main series. He's an amazing actor. And Angad Bedi.
Oh, and
so it's Janhvi Kapoor playing the lead role with Pankaj Tripathi and Angad Bedi. And it's based on the female pilot in the Kargil War 1999.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I think that's the newer trend now, right? They're just like Gulabo Sadabo, they're thinking of
That's
putting
right.
movies on these platforms now, right? Either Amazon or Netflix.
That's right, because घर पे बैठे लोगों को कुछ तो करना है. People are not going out to the theaters anymore, so they have to release these movies.
That's right. We get into another song before we get into our review on
Sure.
Gulabo Sadabo. So this one here. Oh, because you were talking about Janhvi, now you're. This is for her debut movie.
धड़क. Yeah, I think आपने धड़क का दूसरा गाना बजाया था, right?
Zingar. Yeah,
yes.
Yeah.
पहली बार है जी इस कदर किसी की धुन सवार है जी जिसकी आस में हुई सुबह से दोपहर शाम को उसी का इंतजार है जी होश है जरा 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 खुमार है जी छेड़ के गया वो ऐसे दिल के तार है जी पहली बार है जी पहली बार है जी
What did you think about Dhadak?
To be honest, I haven't seen it yet.
Gosh, you have to see Vicky Donor, you have to see Dhadak. I can't believe तुमने Vicky Donor नहीं देखी है.
No, I haven't seen that.
जिसके नाम में विक्की हो तुम्हें देखनी चाहिए वो मूवी.
But he's not in it, Vicky Kaushal.
No, he's not in it.
But I mean, Ayushmann is
Ayushmann,
a great actor.
yes. Yeah. Ayushmann है उसमें. लेकिन yes, talking about Gulabo Sitabo, did you see it?
I did see it this past weekend. Actually, I think official release was supposed to be Friday the 12th, but it was already out the night before on the 11th. Or maybe that was because India was the 12th.
Yeah, I guess it was India, so it was already playing on Netflix.
We checked them on...
or Prime.
Prime, yes. Prime. We checked on Thursday night, and it was there. We were like, okay, let's watch this. So...
Yeah, that's what happened. We saw it Thursday night half, and then Friday night half. Second half, yeah.
Okay. I thought, both me and my dad saw it. I thought the first half was a little slow, but then the second half was really good. Kind of some entertainment, and of course, legend is there. But even I was excited to see the chemistry between him and Ayushmann.
Ayushmann with the belly, and then Amitabh Bachchan looks kind of like scary, you know. And
he had that 102 not out type look.
Yeah. I think acting to of course in सबने बहुत अच्छी की है. It has other great actors too. You know the guy who plays the lawyer, and not only lawyer, the archaeological department guy. I'm not remembering his name, but he's a famous actor. Kawa Biryani and all that stuff. You know, he does comic roles. However, of course, Amitabh Bachchan and Ayushmann Khurrana are amazing. Sujit Sarkar ने बनाई है ये movie, and Sujit Sarkar's someone like I think Kahani, right?
Kahani, yes.
And there are few other famous movies जो मुझे अभी याद नहीं आ रही हैं. I think so, yeah. So Kahani, yes, one of the famous movies is Kahani, and उन्हें जाना जाता है थोड़ी हटके मूवीज़ बनाने के लिए. So this is something we will not like to talk in detail about it, but definitely our review for today is go watch it. If you have Amazon Prime, go watch it. It is there and you will love it. The only thing I can say is it's one of those movies which is focusing on a story that may just be next to you and you may not notice for throughout your life. But then the way he showed it to us, it was amazing.
Yeah, definitely.
और सबको बताते चलें कि महाराजा भोग में मैंगो फेस्टिवल आ चुका है, आम रस आ गया है, तो डू नॉट वेट पीपल, go take take a dive into it. Every day they have different mango delicacies in the restaurant, in the thali. Unlimited है, तो जाके मज़े लीजिए. अगर आप फेसबुक लाइव में देख रहे हैं, आप देख सकते हैं कितनी डिफरेंट वैरायटी आपको मिलती है हर बार. सो दे आर लोकेटेड एट 8338 साउथ वेस्ट फ्रीवे. फॉलो देम ऑन फेसबुक फॉर डिटेल्स. देयर नंबर इज 713-771-2464. So they are following all the guidelines. डरिएगा मत, जाइए. एंड उनके हर टेबल पे सैनिटाइजर सब रखे हुए हैं. तो go and have fun and take advantage of this mango festival. I am going very soon. Maharaja Bhog.
We'll get into a song here, then we'll have we'll get into a short break, and then we'll have.
And then we will be talking to the Consul General of India, Mr. Haseem Mahajan. Namaste Radio, powered by E2 Power.
Keep it locked. Tired of those law firms you can never reach? Try Donley, Ashby & Wynn Law Firm.
Donley, Ashby & Wynn Law Firm in Houston is dedicated to providing quality immigration advice and legal counsel to domestic and international companies and individuals. They will also help with deportations, citizenship and naturalization filings, also personal injuries and car accident. They are committed to their clients with prompt turnaround time. Over 30 years of immigration experience. Call attorney Ann Wynn today at 832-646-8448. Donley, Ashby & Wynn Law Firm. 832-646-8448.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa in Katy invites you to celebrate their 2-year anniversary with double the deals. Come and get a facial done and bring a friend along to get hers done for free.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, call or text 856-693-8970. That's 856-693-8970. Follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram. गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है. हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868. गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 पे. डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे. तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868. जय श्री गणेश.
गणपति नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः.
వింటూ ఉండండి మీ ఇష్టమైన మ్యూజిక్ ఛానల్ నమస్తే రేడియో.
कोई नहीं है, 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम।
वेलकम बैक। आप सब सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो। हम आते हैं हर संडे 1 to 5 PM एंड आ गई है वो घड़ी जिसके लिए हम वेट कर रहे थे। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट talking to Mr. Aseem Mahajan, the Consul General of India in Houston. He assumed charge as Consul General of India in Houston on January 2020. And it was my honor to meet him at India's Republic Day celebration this year, and of course many events after that. But, and prior to this, he was ambassador of India to the World Trade Organization, Geneva. And Mr. Mahajan joined the Indian Foreign Service in 1998. Again, it is our absolute honor to have him with us today on Namaste Radio. Everyone, please join me in welcoming Consul General of India in Houston, Mr. Aseem Mahajan. Namaste and good afternoon to you, sir. How are you doing today?
Yeah, good afternoon, Vanshika. I hope all of you are doing well, and good afternoon to all your listeners also.
Thank you, sir. आपने time निकाला on a Sunday, and thank you so much for coming out and talking to us on a Sunday. And I know it's been a very challenging time. It's been a very difficult and busy time. So thank you. I would love to start with thanking you first. This year, has been very challenging for everyone around the world. How has COVID-19 impacted the Indian diaspora, and how is Consulate supporting the community, responding to the queries, the request for assistance? Unbelievable requests have been coming in because of travel ban. Students have been stuck. Please tell us something about that.
So, Vanshika, I completely agree with you that this year this pandemic is it's a new normal for all of us. We have never been used to a situation like this. Neither any one of us has gone through something like this in our lifetimes.
Ji.
And as you know, the pandemic has affected different people in different ways. There are many people who have been impacted by the pandemic, and this includes Indians who are based here, members of our community, local communities, and everyone in some ways. But as far as the consulate is concerned, right through from the middle of March, we have been open and trying to support stranded Indians, our community, also working with many states, cities, local governments to deal with this current situation. We get hundreds of mails and calls on our helplines. And these are varied requests. We have received requests from many Indians who were stranded because of the travel ban. These are short-term visitors, parents visiting their children, some research visitors, other people on tourist visas, people who have been laid off, people who have medical emergencies in India, people who have to travel because of their strong connect to India. And then another category of requests for assistance where people need some support for boarding, lodging, or even cases of people who need renewal of their medical prescriptions. Because people, when they come here, they plan and come for 5-6 months, but right now people have had to overstay and rather stay here for many months beyond what they had planned for because there were no flights to India. And finally, I'm sure you are aware of this Vande Bharat mission which we are currently running, in which flights are going from United States to India, various destinations in India, and it is already in phase 3.
Wonderful, sir. And बहुत लोग जैसे आपने mention किया, that a lot of people were stranded here. I personally know parents totally just like you said, that they were here for 3 months, but they ran out of their prescriptions, and consulate and under your guidance, you all put together everything to make sure that you came forward and helped all these people. And I think I was even once listening to one of the webinars I was attending, and aap bata rahe the the number of unlimited calls and how many people have wanting to go back, but it's just not easy to, as much as it may sound, but then it's not easy to just put a flight together or things together and send them back. So thank you so much. I personally know few people who have gone under the Vande Bharat mission, and unki taraf se aapko, aapki team ko thank you for putting all of this together. And like I was mentioning about some webinars, I've seen you yourself have personally gone to locations for food distributions, partnering with various different Indo-American organizations local in Houston also. Would you like to share with us some experience about that? How have those webinars and food distributions helped people around?
So Vanshika, as you have mentioned about the Vande Bharat mission, the process basically is you first register with us, and then there are these various compelling reasons. But we have tried to help everyone in the sense that initially there were few flights, and because of the public health emergency and for public interest, you limit people who are going, they have to quarantine, and then they go to various states in India. But the reasons included from your emergencies in your family, stranded students, short-term visitors, and now we are in phase 3. So I'm happy to actually say that more than several thousand people have gone, and in this phase 3 many flights are open by online booking and other things. But we are really proud of also the Indo-American community, social, religious organizations, temples, gurudwaras, mosques, people who are helping us during this pandemic, and everyone has actually done what to the best of their ability. They have tried to help people. We have done several activities with various organizations. These are not just food distribution. We have, of course, yesterday there was a food distribution drive with Shri Meenakshi Temple Society and Seva International. We have done earlier with many local organizations here. But these organizations are also helping us to reach out to people and on their own also to reach out to their local communities, which makes us feel proud that we have such strong organization networks and base in the United States. The All-American Physicians of Indian Origin, for example, are helping people to refill their prescriptions, people on telemedicine calls and on medical emergencies. Similarly, there are many other food organizations which are working with food banks. There are organizations who are helping people who are needing boarding, shelter or lodging, etc. So it's a very varied of activities in which the consulate is involved with these organizations, and these organizations themselves have a full range of things which they are doing, various charities and others. So I think we are all trying to do our best.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. And has the consulate done any webinars or virtual meetings with the business community, like in the Indian diaspora?
Absolutely, yes. We did one with Senator Cornyn. We did one in which with the chamber, Indo-American Chamber of Commerce. Greater Houston has done a lot of webinars in partnership with us. They have done on a range of areas. We have done webinars on healthcare, on medical research. There is one coming up on next week, which is with St. Luke's. We are doing on how to stay safe. Then with the business community, we have done a range of various events. Actually, we are doing another one with Governor Abbott on the 23rd. That is also, the information is available on our social media handles. That we are doing with the chamber in Dallas, the U.S.-India Chamber of Commerce in Dallas. And then individually also we have connected on many different themes and topics with the business community. We partnered with the chamber on one which they did for local businesses here, and they got local government representatives from United States to tell them about the support plans and what the local governments are doing. We are working in areas like energy, healthcare, medical research, information technology. So all those things also we are trying to do to build the opportunities which are available for partnering with United States.
Okay. Thank you for sharing all of that. I will definitely, at the end of the interview, I'll definitely give out the website for counselor and also for the Facebook page, the Instagram page details. Amid all of this, you have been able to put together an event that happens every year, and of course this year it's a bit different, and I am talking about the International Day of Yoga, which is being celebrated next Sunday. I have personally attended it in the park, but I'm looking forward to celebrating it in the new, or like the new normal you said, the virtual way. Please tell us something about that and the partner organizations who are helping in that.
So the International Day of Yoga we have been celebrating since 2014. In 2014, the UN declared June 21st as the International Day of Yoga, which was unanimously supported by all the member countries in United Nations. And this is now going to be the 6th edition of that Yoga Day. And it is celebrated on June 21st every year, which is the longest day in the Northern Hemisphere, the summer solstice. So this year again, of course, every year we used to meet in parks and we used to meet in various venues. There are many yoga enthusiasts in the states covered by the consulate in southern United States, across the 8 states. And we have managed to put together a very varied program and a series of events which will start next week and go right up to 1 or 2 days after the International Day of Yoga. Now these include various talks, various seminars, various schools of yoga doing free classes, doing meditation classes. As you know, and your listeners who are yoga enthusiasts would also know that yoga is a 5,000-year-old Indian tradition. It has mental, it has physical and spiritual pursuits and practices. And yoga is a very wide term which we use, but it is actually, all these practices, and the word yoga itself means to unite. So it is to unite your body and mind, your thought and action. And the theme of the International Day of Yoga, if you see the logo, is peace and harmony. And I think it is topically very relevant in the current times. It helps you for your personal well-being, your health, and it also helps you for dealing with stress and for your general well-being. So we have designed actually a program which is open to everyone. We are American friends, are people who are based here, who have never done yoga in their life. It's a great opportunity to sit with you and your family in the comfort of your home. Just connect on this live digital program which we will be doing in India House in Houston this year. The common yoga protocol will be done by Baba Ramdev, who will connect by live stream, but it will also have snippets from various yoga schools, organizations, and our supporters across these 8 states. And it's a program which will introduce you to the basics of yoga, and for people who are already practitioners, give them much more information about what is going around in the schools of yoga and the associated areas of yoga. As I said, the many other events, the talks on yoga and dealing with things like food, diet, general well-being, your health, your way of life, etc.
Ji, bilkul. And especially during this time, when everything doesn't seem to be going right, I think it's the perfect time for everybody to get together and do some yoga for the benefit of their mind, their body. So we look forward to it. It's मैं बताते चलूँ, it's next Sunday, June 21st, 10 से 12 बजे, and you can watch it live at the India in Houston Facebook page and India House Facebook page. Sir, what is your advice, especially to the large number of Indian students, young professionals, and all our listeners or viewers out there of Namaste Radio also, like whoever is listening to us, please, if you could share some advice for them.
Vanchika, one thing I have seen during this pandemic is many things which we normally take for granted in life. Things like all of us assume that this is how we will be able to plan our lives and do. Sometimes there are things which disrupt your plans, and sometimes there are things which come in the way of how you have planned life. But this pandemic, of course, has done it on a much larger scale. It has done across countries. So this is the first time, for example, people would have seen that there are no flights going in and out of countries because of the public health grounds and the way they are trying to deal with the pandemic. It is the stay-at-home orders, lockdowns, things like social events which you are used to, or planning of things the way you are used to. So my advice would be that please stay calm, stay positive about whatever you are doing. And I tell more for the students and young professionals who are there. Many of them reach out to us. I tell the students that their main focus should be on their on their studies, on their curriculum. Universities are also not sure. And this is something, again, we get a lot of calls on our helpline and a lot of mails, etc. The growing uncertainty about whether there will be online classes, whether there will be offline classes. People who have gone back, how should they plan to come back? Another category of queries we get is about visas, people who have been laid off or general thing. But people are trying to help each other. The many agencies in United States are in close touch with us on a case-by-case basis. For example, US ICS is dealing with cases of visa extensions, etc. So my message essentially is that please stay positive, count your blessings, and try to do what you like to do. You should take your mind off things, pursue your hobbies, and yoga is just one such thing. You have an opportunity to get introduced to yoga, for example, through this calendar of events. We will share with you, and it is on our social media and on our Twitter, Facebook, and our website. We have drawn out a calendar of events. If you like any of the events, join them, and if you find value in it, pursue it. You can pursue it from the comfort of your home. Similarly, your own hobbies, your own interests, watch some TV shows you like. And this is this general advice I give to people so that they can take their mind off from, constantly getting worried. And finally, of course, all of us like you and all of us, we believe that there is going to be, life is going to come back to normalcy once we have overcome this pandemic, and states and governments are trying to do their best. So are people. And we will have many things to look forward to, including our wide canvas of partnership with United States, building on them and doing what we do in our ordinary way of life.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you so much for sharing that advice. Definitely being positive is the way. I also want to personally take this opportunity and say that, I have always followed the Facebook page, and I would like all my listeners to make sure that they go and like India in Houston, the official Facebook page for Consulate General of India in Houston. And also it is good to see that the page is very active even on Instagram. It's under CGI. So I would ask all of them to go and follow it. And it's good to see how much information has been updated every day on these pages. So thank you, sir, Aapko bhi, and to your team also, for keeping everybody updated on all these changes that people were getting so confused about, especially on social media. From our side, we would like to say that anytime there is any kind of message you want the people to know from you, you can always reach out to Namaste Radio, and we will be more than happy to share it with all our viewers and listeners.
Thank you, Vanchika. And one last thing, of course, I want to say is that if we can be of any assistance to anyone, our helpline teams, even though they are overwhelmed with the hundreds of mails, queries, phone calls, we ensure that they reach out and answer each one of them. We have a system where on a real-time basis we try to address emergencies. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if we can be of any assistance, or if you are stranded, if you need anything from us. And similarly, if the consulate can partner in any of your activities, your events, or be of any help to all of you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking out the time again and coming and talking to us on Namaste Radio.
Yes, wishing your listeners a good Sunday, and stay safe.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, and to you too. Bye. Bye-bye. That's right. That was Mr. Aseem Mahajan, the Consul General of India in Houston. Again, he shared a lot of information, important information with us. If you are just tuning in, you can always go back and listen to our podcast tomorrow, Facebook Live tomorrow, or visit their Facebook page, India in Houston, or their Instagram page, CGI, or just visit their website, cgihouston.gov.in.
That was a great interview. It's nice of him to take his time out and come on here.
Absolutely, and he shared amazing information. And like I was saying, you know, I think एक दिन हम दोनों ने वो webinar attend किया था. My gosh, बहुत लोगों को बहुत तकलीफें थी, but we are glad that they are there and taking care of everything.
That's right. So we are right now at 2:53 on this Sunday afternoon, right here, June 14th, already in the middle of the month of June. But one thing is for sure, no matter what, this gentleman here has always given us such great positivity, has given us such great blessings. But yes, Gauri Siddhivinayak Temple is located at 5645 Hillcroft Avenue, Suite 701. That is at Houston, Texas, 77036. And the temple timings right now are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Sunday. And the Aarti time is from 5:30 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Again, they are located 5645 Hillcroft Avenue, Suite 701. And you can contact Pandit Pradeep Pandya at 832-466-9868. That's 832-466-9868. And want to thank you also for, of course, we have met at events here and there whenever I've done, wedding ceremonies. But now he's become like, the older brother and the guy who's given us such great positivity and blessings. So thank you for introducing me to
Absolutely.
Again, his number is 832-466-9868.
तो जी हाँ, लाइफ में पॉजिटिविटी की बहुत ज़रूरत है. आज सुबह जो न्यूज़ सुनी, you know, the minute I got up in the morning,
same with me.
That was the first thing I saw. And I think I had an update from, I think, Times of India, like an app update, and it said Sushant Singh. And I didn't read it. I was like, you know, he may have donated like Sonu Sood or something.
Right.
But then when I opened Facebook,
everybody was talking about this.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, oh my God, he was 34. Him like meri umr ka hai.
That's the first thing when I see it one place, I same thing. I opened my phone and I saw it somewhere, and then I always go to like Twitter, Google, to confirm it, to like see is it okay, is this true, is it not?
Mhm.
Then when I saw Instagram and every other actor or actress was saying it, I was like, oh my god.
Yeah.
And
यू
first
नो
thing I hope for is
एक
that it
चीज़ आज जो ये हुआ, एक चीज़ मैं बस एक चीज़ ज़रूर कहना चाहती हूँ. इफ़ एनी टाइम anybody wants to talk to you, just give them 2 minutes of your life.
Yeah,
It doesn't cost much, because sometimes you may be a very strong person and you don't need it, but there are people who need it.
Right.
I mean, I've been through depression. Maybe I am still, you know, I go in and out of it. But it's important. Listen if somebody wants to talk to you, no matter what it is.
Yeah.
And if anybody wants to talk, do talk, people, please. Right?
So that's 100% true. And just like the Council General said, he was talking about too, don't forget the things that you love to do. And also, like, you know, your mind has to stay distracted. I mean, we were on a talk show about a year ago, I think.
It was a year ago, that's right.
And they also asked us too, like, what do you guys have been through that, so what do you guys do? And one of the things that I also started doing recently is I actually research a little bit about it, how to go through it, the process, what they give, because, you know, Google gives such great information. And when I thought, I don't know.
You are talking about depression.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I was like, I don't have time for all this, you know. Forget. But then when I actually looked at it, and I actually now when I come across something, and I do those the steps slowly, it's actually helping me improve on it.
Actually, the problem is, and I am working on mental health with an organization through my work.
Right.
And that's what they always tell me whenever I have meetings with them. Unfortunately, in our Desi community, mental health is the last thing that people reach. You know, of course, things are changing, but it's still not reached that level that mental health is considered a taboo. Like, nahi, kuch nahi hai. Don't talk about it. You know, sometimes बहुत कुछ होता है. It's just that people feel weak talking about it. But it's better to feel weak, give it in, talk about it, get it off your heart or your shoulder or whatever, and then live. Because it can lead into things like, and I'm not saying Sushant Singh Rajput की death इसके ही वजह से हुई है, but everywhere it's been that, you know, I mean, he committed suicide.
Yeah.
So हर जगह वही बात चल रही है. तो
I mean, if you like, just like these pictures you see on Facebook, like, you could never tell, because look at his smile. Like, look at the way he was in movies. Look at
I mean, I've been through times where there were 1,000 people in a room, and I felt alone. I didn't know where I was. So it happens.
It does.
But you have to come out of it. Maybe there are people in your life who bring you out of it. So you have to work on it. All I want to say today is don't ignore it. That's all.
No, and just like you said, I mean, we do that with each other, right?
Yeah.
Like sometimes when we're feeling low, either we'll message each other or we'll call each other. So like,
absolutely.
And then after speaking to someone, then it's like you're like, hey, what was it?
It actually snaps you out of it.
Snaps you
know?
out of it. Absolutely.
And there are people who are strong. They would feel, all this is not needed. You know, I'm too strong. I am not. I can talk about myself. I need to talk.
Most guys that are built like The Rock.
Yeah.
I'm sure he might have moments too where he feels down.
Oh, I'm sure.
And he openly tells somebody, hey, I just...
You know, your physical appearance has nothing to do with your mind, the state of mind. It has nothing to do.
Yeah.
So again, you know, संदीप और मैं यहाँ पे हैं. अगर कभी किसी को हमसे कुछ बात करनी है, please, you know where to reach us. I have reached out to people in the past. I still do when I need to talk to someone. I'm sure Sandeep does. There's no harm in it.
No.
Take help because life बहुत important है. Every day is very important.
I don't know if you saw Karan Johar's post, but he actually was putting a little of the blame, not total blame, but saying like I should have been there for you, because he kind of saw it in him. But I guess because, you know, with his busy schedule, his work, all that, he missed something.
That's what happens. People give importance to things that are not important.
Yeah.
I mean, एक जिंदगी से ज़्यादा क्या important है? Is there anything important?
No, nothing more than that. No.
Absolutely. But yeah, काफी भारी भरकम बातें हो गई.
No, definitely not. But why don't you give before we take the ad break, we have some updates from our house.
Absolutely.
Everyone's house.
Our house, India House, definitely. So India House is continuing to do their free online classes, their tele consultations, and Council General Aseem Mahajan ji ने भी ये बात अभी करी थी that parents who have stayed longer, who have not been able to go back, उनके prescriptions के लिए you can always call at 713-929-1900. They have amazing online classes for your health, your mental health, your physical health, yoga, Zumba. So again, go to their Facebook page, India House Houston. You can get the link from there, or just call the office 713-929-1900, or visit www.indiahouseinc.org.
That's right. We are getting into the third hour right here on Namaste Radio. We're going to have some news, world and local news for you, and also Bollywood birthdays. So keep it locked here on Namaste Radio, 1050 AM. Don't go anywhere.
आप सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो, मॉडर्न इंडियन रेडियो.
AM 1050 KCHN, Brookshire, Houston.
Let's go!